Alright, so now the back is finished. Thank you to Jacob, he knows how to de-pin things. We called 3 different people and they tried to explain to us. Oscar, you're welcome for not ripping the wires off because we were literally just gonna bypass the connector and splice them together, but we didn't do it. We did it the right way. Now we're gonna be on to the front. The front is fairly easy, but there is a lot more wiring and connectors and different mounts that we have to transport from the new and old ones. Yeah, pop the hood up 2 times.
No, I just pulled right here.
Oh, okay, you took the thing off too? You're gonna take this off. Right here.
Oh, he's the engine.
Let's get to it.
Yo, Oscar, look where you left in the engine bay. A size 10.
Yeah, but no, we just found out in the engine bay.
Where's my 10mm?
Now we're gonna lower this jack, and we're gonna try to do what our fear was of getting this spindle.
Even my M3 seats were sick.
Do you even know what he's talking about?
No.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Nope.
So what James was pretty much talking about was right here. You see how there's a space in between? There's a spindle or a separator. It looks like an Allen key on a socket that you would stick in here and you would rotate. And when you do, this will open up. The front coilover will come right out. But since we don't have that, we kind of just have to wiggle it out. So we're gonna see how it works. All right, so we're running into another problem. I probably have black hole. Oh my God. Hey, Joe. Probably. So we're running into another problem, and we're gonna attempt to fix it. What's happening is the hub that is connected to the coilover is too tight. So you need a tool called it's like a spreader or something like that, where it's an oval. It looks like an Allen key socket, but it's an oval. And when you put it in and you turn it, it'll get wider. And when it gets wider, you can take the coilover out. We don't have that tool. It's sold out everywhere. So we're attempting to take an Allen key and grind it down.
Oh, there it is, there it is.
So now it's gonna have to just come out a little bit, but it'll full. Then once you, all right, I got this. Now when, I'll go up a little bit.
Hold on.
There it is. Take off the top now.
Hold it.
Yeah, you're good.
Hold that.
Yeah, you're good. All right, take the hub. For me, take the hub.
Drop it.
You know what I'm saying? Hold the hubs. And I'll pull this out. Damn, son! Thank God we have a welder in here. I mean, I could use a grinder too, but he grinded that tool. I'm gonna put the tool picture actually right up here so you know what we're talking about. But you have to grind it. Yo, we made one. We made one.
No, we did make one.
That is some mechanic shit right there. As you can see now, this is where the coilover went into. We took that out. All you have to do is take off this bolt right here and take off the end link right here. And pretty much right here is where he had to make that tool. As you can see, you put it in there. It's an oval. Once you spin it with the socket, then it will make this wider so this could slip out. That's exactly what we did. So now we're gonna put it all back with the KW suspension. See how it looks. So we had to go rent from AutoZone spring compressor so we could take the top hat. We got this top hat right here. think of this. I'm gonna put the top hat right on top of there. So now you just cut the boot off of the hat part of it. You just take the hat part, place it on top of the new coil over.
Right now.
Alright, so what James is doing right now is he's measuring the coil over so he can match the height with the other side. Wait, we have to make sure that thing is lined up over here.
It is,
Okay, go.
but I want to make sure 'cause I can't really see in there.
I need a light.
Where's that fucking?
Wait, so you're done after this?
Yeah.
Wait, that's all you have to install that?
I'm gonna jack it up, just make sure it's
Easy, I can
You go. Oh.
myself.
going in.
Yeah, go.
Now we just gotta line this up.
Make sure you guys don't forget that. You want me to pick it up? With
What? No, hold on.
with this, let me know.
Yeah, you're good.
Keep on going?
Yep. Hold that. Now lift back up.
Cause he'll kill somebody with no head.
Keep going. Keep going. Oh.
Oh,
Lower?
yeah.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Joe, look at this. There's little dots that you have to put in.
Oh, yeah.
That's alright. I'm at the shop right now. I'm with my friends working on the car. Working on the car.
Alright guys, so the right side is done. We got the coil over in. He's just tightening the top. We're gonna repeat it on the other side. And we're gonna make sure everything is good to go. So what Jacob is doing right here is those pins, we actually didn't do the front ones. So he's de-pinning it. This one's a little more complicated. We have to take wheel well off because it traveled from all the way from over here down to down here to right there. So pretty much he's gonna do that while he's de-pinning. We're working on this side. We're gonna take off this wheel well right here, and we're just gonna wait to lower the car when Jacob's done. We're gonna hit this down. We already got the tool in it right here, so it's spread open, spread eagle.
How you doing?
And once we hit this down, we can take it out and put the new KW1 in. So while James is putting on the springs and the top hat and cutting all that like you see we did on the other one, we're gonna have Jacob on this side de-pin because he is the best de-pinner on the East Coast. Hit him up down below, I'll put all his information. And he'll start doing the electric work. Alright, so we just finished the install. James, how'd you feel about it?
It was hard. It was definitely hard. It was definitely different too.
We always work on domestic cars, especially Mustangs, and we never really do suspension, and to be honest, it was pretty easy. What's that time? 6? What time did we start? 1, 2?
1 o'clock?
1, right? So 5 hours, it ain't bad, you know what I'm saying? We're not mechanics. We're not mechanics. I only went to school for it, but I don't know. I don't know anything. But we're gonna put the wheels back on now. The install's done. Sensors are good. I'm happy how it went. We had a couple complications that we had to work out, but we worked them out, which sometimes we can't get on some installs. But you know, since it's Oscar's car, we want to take good care of it, and the install was good. Oscar, we cut no wires. It was James' idea to cut them. I told him no. have a BMW.
Yo, this is crazy. I never heard of it.
When it cools down, we'll show you a couple of the levels that he has. Yeah, see, look, it quiets right down. I'll show you a couple of the pops though. Holy shit, bro. Can you move up a little bit? Alright guys, we finished the install. We're dropping James' car back off, then we're gonna drop Oscar's car off to him. Before that, James wanted to do a two-step because his car is hot, it's warm, it's on 93, we want to see if it shoots some flames. After that, then we'll drop off Oscar's car. How did that feel? I felt that in my chest, bro.